welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace the iDRIVE panel screen here. As you can see, might be a little bit hard to see, but it looks like some moisture got in behind the panel and it's not clear anymore. So it kind of looks like water stains throughout the screen. So what we're going to do today is replace this panel, and actually it's very easy to do. It's really just 2 screws here and a couple cables in the back that is holding this thing in. So it's very easy to do by yourself. I believe the 2 screws are T10s, I believe. But once you unscrew these 2 screws, you're going to be able to pull it out just enough to see the cables in the back. So I wanted to show a shot of the screen with the power off, so you kind of get a better idea of what happened to my screen. So it's, to me, to be honest, it's really not that big of a deal. I can still see it when it's on, but at night it gets worse. So during the day it's no big deal, but at night it is harder to see because of all of this on the panel. And there's a glass here, so you can't get to it. But I'm thinking that moisture got behind this and started messing up the screen and the panel itself. Still works and everything fine, but aesthetically it's just a little bit annoying at night. So there's one of the screws. There's the other screw. And I believe they're T10s. So we're just going to unscrew these, slide it out, unhook the cables, then install the new one, put the cables into the new one, put the screws back, and then turn it on. It's that easy. So if you wanted to replace your own iDRIVE screen, this is how you do it. Here we go. Okay. You just want to unscrew it. That one's almost out. Just little screws. I'll take a T10. Don't lose it. Don't lose the screws. And then there's one more on this side. And they're real small. Okay, there's the other one. Okay, so once you do that, now go to the top of it and just lift it kind of down and then pull it straight out. Like that. Okay. What you're going to see, there's 2 connections. One right there, one right here. You see your power connection and the signaling wire. So the power connection is real easy. All you do is push this down and then flip the gray over it. So push it down, flip the gray over it, and it'll push it out like that. Then you just release. Easy. So that one's done. Okay. The signaling wire, so can be a little bit tougher because of the type of, I guess, connector it is. So it's stiff and it's firm. It's in there. Okay, I'm trying to show this. I'm just using one hand to do it. It's a little difficult, but there you go. Boom. Comes right out. I like to get my fingers in that little space, but these can be kind of tricky to get out, only because of the connector. You think you're gonna break it, but you're not. But still, be gentle. That's it. This unit's out now. Okay. I'm gonna place that down. I'm gonna take our new one, and we're just going to repeat the steps. And it's gonna be hard for me to grab it and film it at the same time, but I mean, it's simple. The one we just took out goes right there, and then the power connection goes there, which is that one right there. Okay, so I'm just going to put those in and then be right back. Okay, so we got both connections back in. So the signaling wire and the power wire is back in. And again, that bracket that folds over, again, is over the little push down button, so it's secure. So all you have to do is kind of back it in, but you want to make sure you go in from the bottom. So you back it in from the bottom, and then you're gonna flip it up like that, right? So just to show it again, right? Back it in from the bottom, flip it up. That's it. Now all we're gonna do is put the two screws back. One, two, T10s, and that's it. So I'm just going to screw these back in and then turn on the car, and then let's see the screen. Okay, so we secured the two screws. One, two, and again they're T10s. So we're going to turn on the car now. Okay guys, car's back on and looks like a brand new screen. What an improvement. So you saw how the screen was before, and now it looks brand new. So just to show that the controls work. I was able to find a unit on eBay for $35. And it had the same SKU number. So I made sure to tag the ones that had the same SKU, and then I went from there. But $35, and I got a unit, and my screen looks brand new now. Brand spanking new. Compared to the unit that I took out, which you can see looks horrible. And to be honest, it really wasn't that bad during the day, but I did see a difference at night, and that became kind of frustrating. So, that's what really motivated me to switch this out. But now that I switched it out, I'm so glad that I did, because the difference is really night and day. I just wanted to show the iDRIVE screen at night. Beautiful. Looks brand spanking new. All for $35. Can't beat it. Okay, guys, real quick, I'm just going to show how you update the date after you install this. So once I installed it, it came up with 2/10/23 when it's July 16th. So how do you update it? Just click on the eye in the middle, go to display settings, go to date, click on the date, 7/16, and the year is correct. And that's it. So now we can menu out, and you see that the date is there in the right hand corner. So easy thing to do. Now everything's set, and for $35 I got a brand new screen. Till the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit beamermods.com for BMW performance intakes, clothing and accessories. Unleash your BMW engine. Increase horsepower.